In this demo, I will demonstrate the process of recording a sales order from a customer. From the Marketing and Sales module, we enter the sales orders form. First, we choose the customer in question. Today's date appears automatically, but can be revised. The order number also appears according to the numeration template defined at the beginning of the year. In the Price tab, the customer's currency is filled in automatically, though it can be revised for a specific order. The discount for this order appears in the Overall Discount column. Let's move to the References tab. Here we can base the order on a price quotation or a blanket order. As a result, the order is itemized automatically from these documents in the Order Items sublevel form. In the Costs PO column, we record the number of the purchase order sent by the customer. If the order was first recorded outside of the system on a manually numbered order form, for instance by a sales rep, we record the external order number in the Sales Rep ORD column. To define a price list for the order that differs from the default price list assigned to this customer, we specify the list in the Price List column. We can classify sales orders according to type for the sake of future analysis and reports. The branch and sales rep assigned to this customer appear automatically, though they may be revised. In the Payment Info tab, we can change the tax code as well as the payment terms. Pressing F1 from any column displays detailed help regarding that column. In the Sales Orders Remarks sublevel form, you can record text that will appear on the bottom of the printed order confirmation. You can also define set text that will appear automatically on every order confirmation. Let's move to the first sublevel form, Order Items. On the assumption that we did not base this order on a previous document, pressing F6 from the Part Number column displays a list of parts from the part catalog. If parts were specifically assigned to this customer in the Customer Parts sublevel of the Customer's form, that list is displayed. In such a case, you can view the entire list of parts by pressing Ctrl F6. We'll select a part from the list and specify its quantity. The part's unit price before any discount is determined according to the system's predefined price hierarchy, which is explained in the column Help. In the Price Source column, we can see where the price was taken from. All mandatory columns are emphasized as defined in the form's General View settings. For example, the Due Date column is a mandatory column. You can have it filled in automatically by defining a rule in the Data Generator. When itemizing the order, you can find useful information in the various sublevels of the Order Items form: Inventory for part, part availability, part price options, and others. The Order Items Remarks form displays text for individual order items when the order confirmation is printed in extended format. Now let's return to the main form and change the status of the order to one that allows the ordered goods to be shipped to the customer. We'll choose the predefined Confirmed status. Additional definitions for sales order statuses can be viewed by running the BPM flowchart. By right-clicking a status, we can display its properties, revise them, or leave the default settings. For example, we can determine whether a sales order with a particular status can be revised, linked to a customer shipment, and others. Let's return to the order and print it using the Direct Activation order confirmation. Select the desired print format. Additional information regarding orders can be found in the Sales Order Wizards.